paws on the ground. Dreams of the sky, no fear, no sound. Fur and fire, hearts that burn. For every star we live, we learn. We suit up eyes to the dawn. The universe is calling us on. We're flying beyond the stars, leaving the earth and all its scars. Through the clouds, through the night, feel light hearts ignite the light. We're flying beyond the stars. Together we'll find who we are. No gravity can hold our dream. We rise on a cosmic beam. Silence deep, the earth below, floating free in silver glow. We see the world so small, so bright, a fragile gem in endless night. In the void our spirits soar. The sky we knew, now so much more. We're flying beyond the stars, drifting through nebulous stars. In the dark we find our flame. Every heartbeat speaks your name. Fire and stone, the storm begins, but we won't fall, we'll rise again. Balls on the helm, eyes full of flame. No fear, no doubt, the stars will tame. We're flying beyond the stars, coming home with open hearts. Every step, every scar led us to where we are. Now we've touched eternity. In the light we're finally free. We're flying, flying beyond the stars. We came from dust, we'll dream again. Till space and time remember our name. Cats in space forever.